I love her.
Life with you is perfect.
We're finally doing this.
We met in 2012. We were both at university together, and we met at Freshers Week. So the first week, same faculty. So there was a welcome party, and actually we both weren't gonna go.
I went because उसी दिन मेरे friends बने थे कुछ वहाँ पे, and they were texting me going कि आ जाओ, come, you should definitely come. मैं hoodie में था, jeans में था, मैं कहा घर जाके change करने का time नहीं है, backpack टांगे, headphone यहाँ लगे, पहुँच गया. And then I stayed for about half an hour. Party तो थोड़ी boring सी थी, तो निकल लिया मैं वहाँ से. फिर मुझे यार मैं bye नहीं बोल के आया अपने friends को जिनके साथ आया था. And when I went inside, her and her friends were standing with my friends.
And we all had badges on where we were from, and his said India. So I thought I'd go and talk to him. And I made the first move. I said, can I add you on Facebook?
I went to say bye to them and in chance said hi to her. फिर वहीं रुक गया मैं. फिर नहीं गया.
थोड़ा क्लोज हो जाओ, थोड़ा सा. हाँ, वो वाला पैर थोड़ा सा क्लोज करो. वो वाला पैर थोड़ा सा क्लोज करो. ये वाला दूसरा वाला. लेफ्ट. हाँ, ठीक है, बस.
I still remember the day when I first held him in my arms. I mean, like he was just tiny little boy, and then today he's a grown-up man with a big beard and stuff. So, yeah, it's been quite a journey. Growing up, we were always fighting because when I was growing up, I never got the things I asked for, and then when he was growing up, we always pampered him with everything that I couldn't get. The most difficult time for us was to get our sister married, which happened in March last year. So it was quite an emotional roller coaster, and we made it happen, and it was the most special day of our lives. And today, 1 year down the line, he's getting married. So I'm just excited to be part of his journey.
So my first memories with the Riya was when she born in Sir Sundar Lal Hospital, BHU. Can you believe that?
जब हम उसको हॉस्पिटल में देखे थे, प्यारी सी छोटी सी, उसको देख करके बहुत ही खुशी हुई थी उसके पापा के लिए. तो जब सुने कि आने वाला है कोई घर पे, तभी से वो इतने खुश थे कि खुशी के मारे कहीं निकलते थे, उनको ध्यान नहीं होता था कि कहाँ जा रहे हैं. स्कूटर को वापस से किक मारते थे.
I'll tell you what, I wasn't actually looking for love or anything like that, but one thing I tell her and everyone as well, when I saw her, I knew that she will be in my life for a long time, whether as a friend or a good friend or like whatever, but I knew that, you know, we had something.
It's like we'd known each other forever. Like I told him things I didn't even tell my friends at that time. Just felt like he understood and he didn't judge me. And I don't know, we had the same taste in music and stuff like that. It was nice to be around him. Felt comfortable. But it started getting a bit awkward, so I sent my friend to go find out what's happening. But she just ended up telling him, okay, I like him. So he texted me, will you go out on a date with me? And he was supposed to cook for me, but he took me to Nando's. So that's our first date now, we always go there for our anniversary.
I think one thing she'll tell you was very cheesy. It was day 3 into our relationship. Day 3. I think you know where this is going.
So that day after we went to Nando's, we go back home, and we both wouldn't look at each other. We were just like not saying anything directly.
Day 3 into our relationship, and I said I love you.
And I was like, yeah. And there was just awkward silence for like 5 minutes.
I think it freaked her out a little bit. Her response, to which I hold her till date, was, I think I love you too. And that is like one of the biggest talking points between us. And I said to her, if we ever do like an English wedding and they ask, will you take her as your wife? And I'll just say, yeah, I think so.
सामने खड़ी है तकदी है अखियां तो ओले हसदी है सुननी अड़ी है तेरी
मैंने उनका लड़ना, झगड़ना, मनाना, रूठना, मुझे बच्चे की तरह रखना, कभी भी मेरा गुस्सा सहन करना, उन्होंने सब देखा है, मैंने उनका सब देखा है। जब वो रिंग्स एक्सचेंज हुई एंड एवरीथिंग, इट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट। आई सेड आप इस फोर्ट में आए हो एज अ सिंगल, एंड व्हेन यू लीव यू विल बी होल्डिंग योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैंड।
They both are so cute, like, you know, whenever I see both of them together, it's like there's love, like there's respect.
किस गल ते अड़िए करके बहाना ला जावे नेड़े सुननी अड़िए
It's being like a mix of cultures. Like I don't feel like I'm just Indian or just British. I like both things. So I always feel like almost pulled in two directions, but I also like that I can be part of two different cultures at the same time. And Gosh is his family and him have brought me closer to India again, which I kind of lost the first few years I was in the UK.
हमारी फैमिली के लिए तो गौरेस ऊपर से भेजा हुआ बंदा है और ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्पेशल है हमारे लिए। और सबसे खास क्या है कि गौरेस बहुत कूल एंड काम है और ही इज़ नॉट रिएक्टिव। सो एट दिस एज व्हाट ही इज़ डूइंग एंड ही इज़ एबल टू align everybody in the family, his family, our family, and naturally he has won everybody's heart.
It's been crazy, it's been very happy. I think a lot of people have said to me yesterday and at the bachelor party that this is the happiest they've ever seen me. So I think if they can see that, then yeah, I don't think anything else can compare to that.
पूरा लाइट्स कैमरा एक्शन। शादी से पहले ये हाल हो गया मेरा। भैया अब आप भी गुस्से में फाड़ अजी गुरुगागा में रिया रिया चिल्ला हुआ कुर्ता।
They have known each other for 7 years now, right? They met when they were kids, like 18 years old. So they have actually built a life together over the last 7 years. And only, I guess, 2 nights ago when we were packing for the final night to come to the fort, it was the first night when Riya was not with Gaurish after a long time. And he started panicking and crying, you know, that the whole anxiety came out that I can't do it myself. Their bond has grown so strong that they now need each other by their side all the time.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's one you all can sing with us.
I think we both kind of live in each other's minds now. We understand each other to that level where she can look at me and tell if I'm happy or if, you know, if there's something bugging me, and she can never hide anything from me. Her tummy starts hurting.
I had and still do sometimes, really bad depression and anxiety, and he is the only thing that brought me out of it. He didn't give up on me, and I can safely say he's the only reason I'm alive today, because I gave up on myself a lot in those few years, but he literally dragged my ass through it. He was like, no, you can do this. And I think if you can go through that with somebody, you know they're the one.
प्यारी प्यारी मुँह मले जैसा नेरी मुँह मले आले ले जावा अमराने रे दे ओ प्यारी प्यारी मुँह मले आले ले जावा अमराने रे दे.
Neither I nor her, we're not a perfect couple. Nobody, I don't think anybody is. We've faced many ups and many downs as well. But I think one thing I've learned in 7 years is the more challenges you face together and the more things you overcome together, the stronger you become as a couple. In that time, it feels like crap because you're there and you're struggling. But the moment you're out of it, you realize, no, okay, we can actually get through that. That means, yeah, we can get through anything.
We write our names in the sky. We'll confide. And I'll find mine on the right of your side. And I'll find mine on the right of your side.
One of the nicest things he's ever said to me is, I didn't just hold your hands to dance with you. And it was him telling me he didn't just hold my hand to go through the good things. He'd be there through the bad times as well.
And I'll find mine on the
मुझे बहुत मैंने स्ट्रगल किया यूके में, लेकिन रिया 9 साल की थी जब वो मुझे सब जगह लेकर जाती थी। चाहे वो पेमेंट करना होता था कहीं या स्कूल में टीचर्स मीटिंग होता था, वो मुझे बोलती थी कि मम्मी क्या बोलना है, या ट्रांसलेट करती थी मुझे कि उसके टीचर्स क्या बोल रहे हैं। मुझे ड्राइविंग सीखने के लिए उसने मुझे मजबूर किया। मैं 5 बार फेल हुई वहाँ ड्राइविंग में, 5वीं बार में मैं पास हुई हूँ। और वो बोलती थी कि नहीं मम्मी आप कर लोगी हम लोगों के लिए, और हर समय वो हमारे सामने खड़ी रही है। और अपने पापा की हर कमी को शायद उसने मेरे को पूरा किया है उनके बाद।
Bringing up 2 kids by herself in a country that she didn't even know the language or anything. I couldn't have done it myself. She underestimates how strong she is, and it's the only reason why me and Bart are good and turned out so well. So I think she needs to just be proud of herself.
पहले मुझे रिया बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी और आज मैं उसे मेरी माँ का दर्जा देती हूँ। नॉट जस्ट बेस्ट फ्रेंड सिस्टर, वो सब कुछ है मेरे लिए, एवरीथिंग।
तो गौरीश को देख के कभी ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि वो कोई और फैमिली है, बट स्टिल हाँ एक अंदर से थोड़ा सा इमोशनल एक रहता है कि हाँ अब हमारे फैमिली से हक हमारा ख़त्म हो गया, अब गौरीश का हक स्टार्ट हो गया।
हम तुम्हारे बगैर कैसे रहेंगे हम रिया।
ए भाई ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, इतना नियम कानून से जयमाल के वक्त फोटो भी नहीं हुआ और पूजा हुआ, रोना बनता है।
रो पड़े ये
लग रहा है रामोजी फिल्म सिटी में शूटिंग चल रहा है।
अरे भाभी कुछ भाग वाग नहीं खा लिए।
रिया गाना बजाया गया
कोई बात
बहुत ए बेटा मेरी बेइज्जती नहीं कर रहा प्लीज।
Next
He's outside. Just can't stay awake anymore.
I proposed to her on the same place where we met 7 years ago on our anniversary night. Is that all? Day 3 into our relationship, and I said I love you, and I think it freaked her out a little bit because she was, well.
नीचे किसी को आवाज मार देते हैं।
पिंड च पुआड़े पाए ओ सारे पिंड च पुआड़े पाए आए नी तेरे ओए होए नी
अभी एक बार प्रैक्टिस का चलिए।
नहीं नहीं जल्दी कर लो, क्या पूछो।
क्वेश्चन करेंगे
गलत पढ़वाओगे मुझे। ओके
सब ऐसे ही होने चाहिए। आप ऐसा कुछ करो, मीठा बोल, सबसे बहुत मीठा बोल देते सब।
चलो ला से
लो
L.
You have to sing a song from L. Laila Milela कैसी
तेरे नीले नैना विचों डुलदी शराब नी।
बहुत ही खराब रिएक्शन था, मैं बता नहीं सकती।
चीज़िएस्ट थिंग, अरे ये सोचना पड़ जाएगा। चीज़िएस्ट थिंग,
Like, should I say this?
रब ने बना दी जोड़ी।
मैं बंदा ही पिघल जाता हूँ आराम से।
ओए होए नी तेरे हाय हाय नी तेरे गोरे रंग ने सारे पिंड च पुआड़े पाए।
नतीजा नहीं खिलाई गई है 100 साल जियो हमारी सासू की 100 साल जीने का
कौड़ कबड्डी कौड़ कबड्डी कौड़ी कौड़ कबड्डी कौड़ कबड्डी कौड़ी कौड़ कबड्डी कौड़ कबड्डी कौड़ी।
ओ दिन डुब्बा जद कोड़ी चढ़िया कुब्बा ओ दिन डुब्बा जद कोड़ी चढ़िया कुब्बा
कड़ी 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 कड़ी।
तुरे तुरे
आप कन्या के कोई वचन को मत मानिए, कन्या के कोई वचन को मत मानिए, सब वचन आप भूल जाइए। जितना वचन अभी दिलाया गया सब भूल जाइए, लेकिन केवल एक वचन को याद रखिए कि पराई स्त्रियों का सेवन आपको नहीं
करना। तुरे तुर कानी जदों पासे मार मार के
यार क्या रुक जाओ। कैन आई टेक अ अच्छा आई हैव टू लुक देयर ओनली ना।
रिया और गौरीश के लिए एक मैसेज ये है कि उसका वेडिंग गिफ्ट इंतज़ार कर रहा है। जैसे ही उसकी शादी होगी, शादी के बाद उसके लिए मेरे एक स्पेशल वेडिंग गिफ्ट है।
बस दोनों एक दूसरे का हमेशा साथ देना, बहुत बहुत प्यार, बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद।
To both of them, I love you guys and nothing can change ever.
Gaurish and Riya, you both are my babies. We did have a few differences before, but as we've come along, like we've sorted them out. I just want to wish you both a very, very, very happy married life. Make beautiful babies and make me bua. Love you guys. Mwah.
I think I just want to wish them both a very happy life together. There's out to be bad times, but as long as they're together, I'm sure they'll get through it. And yeah, congratulations.
No, I don't think there's anything apart from the fact that I love her, and I am so happy today that we're getting married and that we're finally doing this. Yeah, there's nothing else really left to say.
Sorry that I spent all your money on this wedding. But I just hope that things haven't changed, because life with you is perfect already. And this marriage was a great way to celebrate with friends and family. But I mean, I don't really know how things can get better and how I can love you more and more each day, but it still happens.
यही बचा है।